Welcome back, children. I'm Srinivasan Tambaya, the maths teacher. Now we are going to see board questions. What are the board questions asked in the chapter matrices? We got three questions this year, 2019 and 2016 in section A as a question number 16 in section A, 1 mark, and as a question number 22 in section B, 2 marks. So we got 1 mark in this, 2 marks, and then question number 3, 2 parts. Either or part both parts we got section D, you got 6 marks. So altogether 9 marks this year has been given for matrices. Okay, first I have taken question number 16. Let us see what was the question asked in the section A. Okay, and in the question number 22 there were different questions in the 3 sets, whereas in 33 the question number was changed but questions were the same. Now let us see. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix where A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by Aij equals determinant of modulus of I square minus j. Now we are asked to construct a 2 by 2 matrix. We know how it will be. We will write an 2 by 2 matrix. We assume it as A1, A12, A21 and A22. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column element. Now we are going to construct using this formula. A11 equals 1 squared minus 1, which is 1 minus 1 is modulus of 0, which is just 0. Now the second element A12 1 squared minus 2, which is modulus of negative 1, which is just 1, because the modulus sign changes a negative to a positive sign. Then A21 2 squared minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, so we got 3. The last element A22 2 squared minus 2, which is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So the expected matrix is 0, 1, 3 and 2. Of course, it was a very easy question. Every student would have written this question. They would have got 1 mark for sure. Thank you. This completes the solution of this question. Please copy it down. Children, now the second question. Section it was asked in section B, question number 22. It carries 2 marks. The question says express A equals, the matrix's elements are 4, minus 3, 2, minus 1 as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. This is also an easy question. We know we can express this matrix A as P plus Q, where P is symmetric and Q we are going to take it as skew symmetric. How to find P? Of A plus A transpose Q equals 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. This is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. Okay, let us start doing it. First we will compute P. A plus A transpose. A is there. Now we will find A transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. 4 minus 3, I am changing the row to a column. 2 minus 1, this is A transpose. Now we'll add A and A transpose. 4, negative 3, 2, negative 1 plus the transpose 4, 2, negative 3, negative 1. Corresponding elements to be added. 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Now we need to find 1 by 2. So I am finding the final P value. 1 by 2 times 8 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. We have to show this as symmetric. We know the condition for symmetric is A equal to A transpose. If you can show A equal to A transpose, then that matrix is called as symmetric matrix. So I am going to show P as a P transpose I am going to find P transpose 8 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So I see P is equal to P transpose. Therefore, P is symmetric matrix. Okay. Next I am going to find Q. Now I go for A minus A transpose. A is here. 4 minus 3, 2 minus 1. We have already found A transpose. 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now subtraction, corresponding elements to be subtracted. 4 minus 4 is 0. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 2 minus of minus 3 is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Now I am finding Q. 1 by 2 times A minus A transpose. Okay, now I need to show this Q is skew symmetric. What is the condition for skew symmetric? We know any matrix which is skew symmetric, then A will be equal to minus A transpose, or you can say minus A equal to A transpose. So this is the condition for showing a matrix as skew symmetric. Let us continue. Now I am trying to find Q dash. I am changing the rows to columns. 0, minus 5, 5 and 0. To show skew symmetric, I need to find minus Q transpose. So I multiply with a negative sign. So my matrix changes to. Now I find Q and Q transpose are the same. I mean minus Q transpose are the same. Therefore, Q is skew symmetric. So we have shown P as symmetric matrix and Q as skew symmetric. Now A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Now we'll show we have got A when adding P plus Q. What is the value we got for P? 1 by 2 times 8 minus 1 is 2 plus by 2 times 0, negative 5, 5 and 0. Now you add upon. I'll take 1 by 2 as a common. 8 plus 0 is 8. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Now you divide by 2. 4, minus 3, 2 and negative 1. Where we have got our E, 4 minus 3, 2 and minus 1. Okay. Or you can show A plus P plus Q, we added, we got A. Anything means the same. Okay. We have showed the matrix as A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. This carries 2 marks in section B. Thank you. Children, in set 2, the 22nd question was changed. Okay. 2 marks question, section B. Find AB inverse if A is given and B inverse is given. We know the property AB inverse equals B inverse A inverse. Okay. AB the whole inverse equal B inverse A inverse. We know this property. We are given with B inverse. We need to find only A inverse. Then you can, if you multiply, you will get the value. Okay. So we were given B inverse. Now we are trying to find A inverse. Now we have A here. Now I am trying to find determinant, so that if determinant exists, we will say it's a non-singular matrix, we can find the inverse. If it is determinant is 0, we cannot find the inverse. So let us check it out. 1 times 2 is 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2. So the inverse exists. So determinant we have found. Next we need to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, we know we can interchange these two elements, 2 and 1, and we need to change the sign of this. This is an easiest way of doing it. Interchange this element, diagonal elements, and change the signs. This is applicable only for 2 by 2. Okay, adjoint of A, we have found adjoint of A. We know A inverse equals adjoint of A by determinant of A. So determinant is 2. So 1 by 2 times 2, 0, 4, 1. Now we need to find AB the whole inverse, which is B inverse, A inverse. B inverse, I am going to take it from the question 3152. A inverse times 1 by 2 times 2, 0, 4, 1. Where you can take this 1 by 2 as a common term out. Now we are left with 3152 2041. Now let us multiply. First row, the first column. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. So now we have 1 by 2, 10, 1, 18 and 2. Now we will take this 2 inside and divide every element. 10 by 2 is 5. This is 1 by 2. This is 9. This is 1. So this is your final answer. AB inverse. This carries 2 points.